In this video, we will be going over my storm chase from May 13, 2022, where I intercepted a severe storm near Galesburg, Illinois. This will go over that and what I saw on the chase. Good afternoon, Storm Chaser Andrew Griffiths here. We are approaching Galesburg. There is a nasty, severe warning storm here, right here. Lots of lightning with it. We're going to get on the road soon, so I'll catch y'all later. See what we get. Kind of looking in there. Nasty. This clip right here is when I was west of Galesburg, about to intercept the severe warning storm. This is like yesterday. There was like dust like this. That's nasty in there. Yeah, I think we should get off here.
Go south.
Yeah. There's something right there. There's a lowering right there.
Goes mostly directly east-west.
It goes south. Yeah, it does. This is the road that goes south. Oh wait, no it's not. No, it is.
Well, you probably can get on the road.
Yeah, you can get on the south road. Wow.
I'm sure we're gonna go right from this direction.
Yeah.
Go straight. Wait, do we want to go straight? Oh, that's the Brimfield. We don't want to go to Brimfield. We want to go to Lewistown.
Yeah.
We don't want to go 150 to Brimfield. That doesn't make a lot of sense. That would be going back where we came from, then we'd be done.
Yeah. Okay, there's something interesting right there. This next section is where we ended up going right into the severe warned area. There was dust that got kicked up and more. Thunderstorm warning. I said we're in a severe thunderstorm warning right now. There's blue skies right there. That's the area I'm really watching right there. There's a lot of dust. There may have been a rain spout as well. And here is a image of what it may have been. It looks like it's probably scuddy though. I don't know. It's really up to the viewer's interpretation of this, but I will show that here now. Now that all of the chasing videos are over from the day, here is all of the amazing lightning I captured. Alright, we are now home from the storm chase. Had the least eventful storm chase of my career so far. Wasn't terrible. I did get in a severe thunderstorm with some dust and wind. Now I'm treated back with an amazing outflow boundary display and clouds. I will catch y'all in the next one.